May gusto ka bang kalimutan?
Ikaw ba, Sam? No! Sam, you're supposed to start it off nga, hindi ba? And then you're going to self-narrate nga.
Wait, no, we should
Okay.
have included that.
Exactly. Just go
Because it's
on.
funny.
Just go.
Sige.
Just go on.
Pagkatapos ni, sabi ni Macy, tatawa ako. May gusto ka bang kalimutan?
Eh, ikaw, Sam. May gusto ka bang kalimutan? Oh my God, girl. Oh
Ano
my
na,
God.
Sam? May gusto. Oh, ano?
Kasi naman,
So, meron na ba?
history. History
Oh,
is
what's
important.
with history?
And we can't forget it. Because if we forget it, we are bound to make the same mistakes again and again and again and again.
Ay, may mistake ka bang nagawa
Ano
na
nga?
paulit-ulit
Eh,
mong binabalikan pero hindi mawala?
Wala ko nga dyan. Anyways,
Jay, medyo iba naman na ata ang
the
ating
background
pinag-uusapan.
of the topic. Background of the topic. Ano ba talaga ang historical distortion, no? Ano nga, Macy?
Well,
ano?
para nga masagot ang tinatanong ni Sam, ang historical distortion nga ay ang twisting of history to making it into a different story than the actual truth. Satisfied ka na ba sa sagot ko na yon?
Wow, ang galing naman ni
O
Macy.
may hinahanap-hanap ka pa rin ba, ate girl?
Ay,
Parang,
ano kaya yan?
Parang medyo confused pa ako. Sabi nga ni Kapag, ako ay litong-lito sa...
Ay, next na i-cover
Joke
po,
lang,
mount
joke
naman
lang.
po. Next na i-censor.
Uy, ano ba? O, sige. Pero like, I'm confused kasi I want examples, you know. So, ano nga ba yung mga examples natin, Jeyas?
Alam mo, going back in the past, may makikita tayo doon, apaka-laking nangyari sa istorya ng Pilipinas. Hulaan natin, ano nga ba last name ng presidente natin ngayong taon? Ikaw, Macy, anong pangalan ng presidente natin?
I think it's giving Marcos. It's giving Marcos.
Oh my
So what do you
God! Marcos pala.
What about Marcos?
What about Marcos?
Hulaan nyo kung anong meron kay Marcos. A,
You know-
maraming
Ay,
napatay
sorry,
na
sorry.
tao. B, napunta siya sa farm. C, hindi natin alam.
My honor, hindi
I
ko
think-
po alam.
I think sa
Hindi ko po alam.
farm po siya lumaki.
Ay, parang none of the above. Kasi ang nangyari ay nagkaroon tayo ng martial law.
Martial
Ayan.
law.
Yes, martial law.
Pero like,
Pero JS,
Oh,
the junior
Go.
BBM, junior BBM, like, I heard some chismis about him. Di ba like, there's something wrong with his degree raw.
degree?
I've
Ano
heard of
meron
that
sa
too.
degree niya?
I've heard about that too. So basically nga daw, they're saying that it's forged and he didn't
my
actually
God.
go to Oxford.
Grabe naman. Like,
Para lang,
that requires so much connections.
exactly.
Okay.
No, because it's actually really sad that we have a president who forged their college degree instead of
Yeah.
actually getting it,
Mhm.
Oo.
normally.
So,
It's like,
Ay, sorry.
Ay, sige, go lang.
So, going back to martial law, like, ano ba talaga yung like historical distortion ng martial law, no? Para kasi, like, I am kind of confused kasi 'di ba, ang daming mga Pilipino na nagsasabi na this was the golden era raw ng Philippines. And ang dami ring nagsasabi na it wasn't. So, ano ba talaga? I'm conflicted.
Yeah, right. If you ask kasi some Filipinos here, they would usually say, "Oh yeah, the Marcos nga daw talaga. During Marcos' reign,
Oo.
the senior Marcos, it was the golden age nga daw." Pero let's not forget that there are a lot of people who died during his reign because of the martial law nga.
Yes.
So personally, I don't think it can be considered the golden age.
Mm-mm.
Oo.
How about you,
Actually,
JS? What do you have to
ang
say about it?
daming sides ng martial law. Pero like, ang mga nagsasabi na golden age daw yung martial law or the people na hindi naapektuhan ng martial law, you feel me? Kasi hindi nila alam kung ano nadanas ng maraming tao kasi hindi nila nakita, hindi nila naranasan. Nandun sila sa good side of
Mm-mm.
that era. So,
Yeah.
I think, yeah, it can't be considered as the golden age kasi sobrang daming namatay, sobrang daming nangyari. It's like,
Sobrang dami na red tag.
yeah,
Like,
it was,
sorry,
yeah, go.
would it really be considered a golden age? If like,
Yeah, that's
kasi,
true.
if you think about it, hindi naman magpro-protesta yung mga tao kung walang masamang nangyayari. Like,
Oh, I agree with Sam.
it's a
I agree with Sam.
revolution, right? Because,
Mm.
syempre naman, like, sabi nga nila that the voices of people ng masa, it's more powerful than the people in power, you know.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So the voices
Well,
of the
of
people are
course.
actually the most important things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, the government are the ones who are sitting on the throne, but it's still the mass or the people whom takes up majority of the population of the Philippines. That's why they have the
Yeah,
more say on this.
Mm-mm.
Kasi grabe naman talaga yung nangyari dun. And then it's so odd that people still glorify it kahit na
Exactly.
ang daming martial law victims that come forward. It's like, it's so disrespectful to the victims, you know?
The amount of bloodshed that happened was crazy.
Yeah.
Imagine glorifying things like that sa
Like,
time natin. Just go.
uh,
What if or what if their loved ones was part of that? How would they react kaya to what happened? Because like imagine your family was the one in that position. Tapos you're still glorifying it to this day.
oo.
It's kind of sad to think that people are actually like that. Pero,
Yeah.
yeah.
Pero
Oh,
like,
and another thing pala. Oh, yes, what were you saying?
no, go on.
Oh. So what I was about to say is the fact that the Marcoses don't admit to their mistakes and what they've
Yeah.
done.
Mm-mm.
Actually,
Oo.
very sad. The amount of people, like yung nga sinabi nyo, the amount of people who died nga during the martial law,
Yeah.
and their families weren't paid or at least given money to to help those who were left behind.
Mm.
Is really sad.
Mm-mm. That's
It's
true.
like,
And the fact that they're still in power right now.
yeah, it's kind of sad to think that parang wala ring silbi yung mga Philippine heroes natin, yung mga
Oo.
nagprotest, the people who died for us. Because we're always committing the same mistakes again here in the Philippines.
Mm.
Yeah.
That's
Well,
true.
Yeah.
Because
Like,
it's really shocking that No, what was it?
Kasi, hindi naman to like bagong nangyayari. Like, this started back in World War II already, where like the US, they made promises to yung mga like all the races that are under the US na nagfa-fight for them. They were like promised na they get specific gains, salary, uh healthcare and pensions, and to be promised to be a US citizen. And like those promises hindi sila natupad. And parang kinakalimutan na natin sila. Like our collective memories being erased. Ganon.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's kind of sad that we have to go all through that because right now they're slowly trying to take that specific things out of our history books and refining it into parang nawawala na siya slowly. Ang
Yeah.
nangyayari is that naiiba na yung history natin to the point na naiiba na yung past sa nalalaman natin ngayon. They're trying to censor it nga ba, distort it into something new.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Isn't that what's happening na to the books during dun sa grade school?
Oo,
Like the
yeah.
Araling Panlipunan,
Oo.
Oo,
they're
it's
getting
happening na nga
changed,
eh.
right?
Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi like, in elementary, diba? We weren't really taught how to think critically. It was more on like memorize critically.
Memorizing, yeah.
We
So,
don't add
Yeah, memorize.
substance.
we don't
Yeah.
understand history at all. Ganon.
During grade school, hindi mo malalaman kung totoo ba yung sinasabi ng libro o hindi kasi hindi naman din discuss. Pero going through high school, you would realize that may point nga yung mga history books. Kaya kapag inaaral
Yeah.
natin ngayon, parang when we look back at some of the books, parang may mali at some point.
Kasi I used to hate Araling Panlipunan. Because,
Oh, really?
yeah!
Oh,
I didn't appreciate it at all. Like, sagabal lang siya
AP
sa
was such
buhay
a good
ko.
subject.
Exactly.
Oh,
The only thing you had to do was
my
memorize all
God.
the regions.
I'm 2v1ing y'all. I'm 2v1ing
That's
y'all.
the point.
I
It's
cannot
just
believe
memorization.
Well, it's fun to
Naghahamon
learn
pa si
different types
Macy.
of facts.
2v1 sa AP.
And like, yeah, medyo noob. Kasi, like, yung medyo noob. Like, there were 200,000 Filipino soldiers. They wanted to get those benefits from the US. Tapos, like, nung ginusto nilang i-claim yung US citizenship na nila, yung Immigration and Naturalization Service, hindi sila present.
Diyos ko.
And like,
Really
diba
bad.
in US, racism and xenophobia is so active there. So
Yeah, it's so
Filipinos
common.
also face that just to get no benefits at all. And that's just so
Exactly.
sad, no?
They
They
worked
were
really
promised
hard for that,
something.
only to
Ang
get the
hirap
promise
nun.
broken.
Exactly. Dapat di na lang sila nag-promise. Diyos ko.
Huh? May pinapatamaan nata si
Ay,
JST.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Pero yeah.
Yeah. Pero like, outside of the Philippines, syempre, nangyayari din yun. Like,
Yeah.
like, nung Civil War ba sa US, like,
Mm.
yung, they put a good light sa slavery.
Oo.
The people were oppressed. Oh my God. Just because of their skin color.
Oo
Yeah,
nga.
actually.
Kasi, oo. Kasi like, there were
That's so
states,
uneven.
yeah, they were states that, didn't like slavery, they banned slavery, tapos like, the South secession ba, they defended the concept of it, and they even wanted to like expand it, you know?
I think I've heard it in some textbooks before, but like some of the
Uh-uh.
US president before also had their own slaves.
Yeah.
So
exactly.
trying
Kawawa
to stop slavery
lahat.
before
This,
trying to stop slavery before was really hard,
grabe
especially when the
talaga.
government and stuff have their own have their own
Oo.
slaves.
Oo. Ang hirap nun maiwasan, especially that the higher ups are the ones na pasimuno. It's like,
Oo.
once na napasimunoan nila yun, it's most likely gonna be spread throughout na rin. So, yeah, it will
Mhm.
expand further. It's gonna be hard.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-mm.
Anong nangyari,
Pero yeah,
guys? Pero,
to
yeah.
close up on what we're trying to talk about here, it really is up to us, the students,
Mm.
the future of our country,
Ah,
to learn about the facts nga talaga and to
yeah.
stop
Mm-mm.
misinformation from spreading. Because syempre, tayo nga yung magiging future scientists ng bayan and will be the
Mhm.
ones who are going to guide
Yeah.
the younger ones in the near future.
Mm-mm.
We need to retain our collective memory.
Yes.
Yun lang nga.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, without us, our future wouldn't be complete. Kasi without our voices, hindi natin restore yung past natin. Kasi tayo mismo yung nag-aral ng kasaysayan natin. Kaya,
Oh.
kailangan natin na ma-retain yung memory na yun. Kasi anong point ng pag-aaral natin ng kasaysayan kung hindi natin i-share sa kabilang kabataan, sa kabilang generation na bakit ba tayo
May
nag-aral?
point naman si Jaya, hindi ba?
Wait, let
Ang
me
angas
give
kasi
my
ng mga words
point.
ni ate girl.
I mean, like, why are we studying history for us not to share to the other people? Like, come on. The keyboard warriors there, they...
Oh, oo. Sige, sige, sige. Go lang, go lang.
No. I mean, like, yung mga FB fights, it's like, alam mo kung ano yung isa-side mo at alam mo yung hindi mo isa-side. Kasi you're knowledgeable of what's in that story, of what's there and what's true. Let's give an example to the Marcos martial law. You know kung ano yung nangyari doon. Alam mo kung anong meron doon. You know the substance into that topic. So you know what to fight for. And alam naman nating lahat na may mga different opinions yung mga tao doon, and that's fine because that's normal. Pero deep inside, we know what's true, we know what's right, and we know what we should fight for as future leaders of the country. Because as Philippine high school scholars, we're very knowledgeable of what we are gonna be in the future, and that's gonna be a true Filipino and a true blooded history teller to everyone. Kasi alam namin na ang history books are meant to take note of the past. And that is why social science tree is an important part of our life. Kasi alam natin, hindi lang naman social science tree. Actually, all the social sciences in our curriculum is very important. Kasi alam natin na from the start pa lang tinuturuan nila tayo kung paano, kung paano like to to have a good
Sige pa, Jaya. Tuloy
Tamagot.
mo ate.
Sila yun.
hindi kasi naman lahat ng social sciences na topics from grade 7 to grade 9, they put time and effort into it para hindi tayo magkamali sa history natin. Yun lang naman point ko, para hindi tayo magkamali sa history natin. Kasi slowly, alam naman natin na nasa-censor na yung books natin and everything like that. So, the point is, what they want us to do is to remember the past and stay true to the past. Kasi we must prevent these false memories from deceiving us and always try to remember and recall the collective memory nga, sabi ni Sam, who suffered. So, the people who were present in the past and the people who contribute, the people who continue to suffer, to continue their legacy, and to never stop demanding important reforms. Ayun. Ang dami kong yak,
Napakahaba
pero
naman
ang
ng-
point lang doon.
Napakahaba talaga ng sabi mo, Jaya.
Mama mo memory.
Pero, ang masasabi ko lang is, I agree wholeheartedly to what you said. And syempre nga talaga, katulad nga ng iyong sinabi, history is really meant to take down notes and to like record nga the past for the future generations to see and to hear.
Diyos ko
And
naman kasi ang
we shouldn't let
unreliable ng ibang
misinformation.
information dyan. Oo. This is why we should take note of history, ha? Kasi meron dyan isang mayor, hindi alam yung birth certificate o hindi naaalala ang history. This is why.
Paano kung sa farm talaga siya lumaki?
Malay mo, ano kasi, kanina, di ba?
Kakaiba.
Your Honor, sa farm po ako lumaki.
Shirley got grilled by Risa Hontiveros.
Yeah.
It's kind of sad.
She's getting grilled in the Senate House. It's so funny to watch. Kasi the only answer is only puro sa farm siya pinalaki or Your Honor, hindi ko po alam. Your Honor, ay titingnan ko po, Your Honor.
Alam niyo yung TikTok audio na yun, gusto kong makita sa mga mata niya. Yung sabihin niya, mahal.
Oh yeah, I always see that.
Uy, ang dami na nating yak. Ang dami na nating yak. Okay,
Sige,
guys.
let's say goodbye na to our viewers or to our beloved viewers. I really do hope that you guys learned something from our podcast and that you will learn something new every day.
Yes.
Lalo na kay Jasmine Bauriel.
Always remember to check your history.
May masasabi ka pa ba, Sam?
Wala na.
Mga gusto mong ipahawatig sa ating group.
Ay, meron pa ako. Ending na.
Oo.
Ako na mag-end nito.
Oo.
As a Philippine Science High School scholar, our mission is to serve and excel and to search for the untarnished truth. And this is why we should always remember our history and never censor it. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.